Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how you can log in or open a Revolut account. In order to open or log in into your Revolut account, first thing first, check your internet connection and go ahead and open up your application. So in order to log in, you must have already created an account. Only then you'll be able to log in. So as you can see right at the bottom, there is two different options, that is login and sign up. If you don't have an account, click the sign up button, register for a Revolut account, and then you'll be able to register or create an account. And if you already have an account, tap the login button, enter in the credentials such as your email address or your phone number and a password. As soon as you're done entering the information, click the login button, and if the information seems to be valid enough, then you'll be logged into your account successfully. So in this way you can log in or open a Revolut account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.